Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust a sliding screen door easily. This will be a full tutorial, but also a very basic, simple, and super easy peasy tutorial. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I want to apologize about the audio. There are these bugs, these cicada bugs I call them, and they're just buzzing full force in a tree in my backyard. So they're really loud. I do apologize. And secondly, I want to apologize about the poor lighting. I was trying to get this video done during the day, but it just didn't work out. I have 4 young kids, so it just didn't happen. So now that everyone is in bed and sleeping, I am able to do this while my wife is inside and just relaxes and enjoys the night. So basically, this is a sliding screen door. This is the one in one of my back doors. And essentially there are 2 simple adjustment screws that you can adjust, okay? Very simple. Now we're looking over here. This is the sliding screen door right here. And if you look on this part right here, I'm just not going to show you too much detail because that's my kitchen and I don't want to sort of give away any like details of the inside of my house. I try and keep it relatively private. Actually, it's not a big deal. There you go. You can see it. Pretty cool. Anyways, aside from that, no one's in there right now, so it's pretty boring. It's just literally just the kitchen. Anyways, so now I can give you the full view, I guess. There's going to be a hole over here at the bottom, and then there's going to be the equivalent hole up there at the top. Okay, so essentially, with each of these holes, there's going to be a screw inside of it. You can look into there and see what the head of the screw is. In this case, it is a green Robbie, which is like the smallest square head that you'll find on a screwdriver, on like a multi-bit screwdriver. And you're going to get your screwdriver in there, and you want to make connection with the screwdriver, with the screw head. Okay, so when you have the head of the screw, you can turn it clockwise, okay, like this, or counterclockwise. And essentially, when you turn it in either direction, there's a little wheel at the bottom here that ends up sort of extending out from the bottom of the door or retracting into the bottom of the door. If I turn this clockwise, watch what happens with this, with the sliding screen door. I'm going to turn it clockwise. Check this out. So you can see right here, the sliding screen door actually raises up. Look at that gap. It got bigger. And if I turn it counterclockwise, check this out. The sliding screen door is going to lower down. I'll give you a closer view. If I turn it clockwise, the sliding screen door raises up. Counterclockwise, the sliding screen door lowers down. Okay, so basically you just want to use the bottom over here and the top. Sorry, I just heard like a flapping sound behind me. I thought there was an animal or something, but there might be. I don't think there is, but I'm gonna try and keep this video short and sweet now, just in case there's like a raccoon behind me or something. Anyways, so you want to essentially adjust the bottom and the top accordingly to make it slide smoothly. So if you want to raise the door up, you can probably raise the bottom up, and then at the top you want to sort of decrease the gap at the top. So increase the gap at the bottom and then decrease the gap at the top. So, and I just realized a flapping sound I think is there's a cicada bug that is actually relatively close behind me on the ground flapping around, so I'm gonna go before it ends up like on the back of my shirt or something. But yeah, you can essentially get your sliding screen door to slide as smoothly as you want to. Just the more kind of work that you put into it, the better that it will slide. And obviously you want to make sure you lubricate it and so forth. But that is essentially it. That is how to adjust a sliding screen door. Like I said, there's the equivalent thing on the top as well. And most sliding screen doors are going to be able to be adjusted as such. It's really an easy thing to do. And I end up doing mine like once a year. I'll adjust it, and then by the next year it'll kind of be off a little bit and I'll adjust it again. And yeah, it's just an ongoing process because as you open and close it, the vibrations adjust these screws ever so slightly. And you know, when you've opened and closed it thousands of times, it's going to need to be adjusted again. So it's just a normal part of sort of routine. And yeah, I mean, I guess, you know, also because I never show the inside of my house for the most part, other than specific rooms. Like I said, you guys want to take a look at the kitchen. There it is. At this point, I have very young twins. I have 4 young kids, very young twins. So there's the 2 high chairs tucked away nicely. There's a part of the kitchen that you can see, and that is essentially it. I just know that, you know, maybe people are curious, like, what does the kitchen look like? Well, there you go. There you have it. If you like this video, and if you appreciate the fact that I showed you something that I don't usually show, like even the tiles, you know, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Be sure to follow me on social media too, because I usually post more personal stuff like that on other media other than my YouTube channel. This is more for tutorial videos. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.